So hi, we're playing Roblox today, and so yeah, I'm playing some games. What should I play? Hey, let's play Airplane 4. I'm a fan of the Airplane series trilogy. I have already played this too. I hopefully should be sharing audio. If not, I'll just get somebody to edit music in. Or maybe the music in the background might get in the mic. Might be a little laggy, so I'm running a couple of things, just... It's the first time using this setup recording. Now, the annoying part is the cutscenes for me, because when I already played the game, the cutscenes just get annoying, and the fact that you can't skip them. Don't tell me you forgot, today is the big day. Like, big! Let me remind you, we are flying to the Rohams. Or the Romans, probably. Fun fact, in my class, I'm learning about the Romans. So, I am actually playing on a Chromebook. So it's kind of like a computer tablet. Runs like a computer, but it can also work like a tablet, kind of. If you don't already know. I also know where all the badges are, so maybe, if you want to, I will do a video on all the badges. I already know where everything is, though, so I don't really need to study anything. I've played this before, as I've said. I usually can't wait to make a video and stuff. I always just play it first. I don't know why. Hey, that's me. 45 seconds to explore. So I'm just gonna fool around for this 40 seconds. I bet this is in the girls' room. Told ya. Alright. The thing I don't like about this game is they give you way too much time to find your items. Because, I thought we were supposed to be in a hurry, and also, I don't want to have to wait so long, because I already know where everything is. It's just a little laggy, so I'm slow. Ugh. I get stuck sometimes. Like that. I'm clumsy here. So I'm just gonna wait in between here for the next item. I think that's in the girls' room. I think that's in the girls' room. Yeah. I'm a boy. Why am I getting all my clothes from the girls' room? Seems wrong. Another thing is you should be able to select if you're a boy or a girl, so you don't have to go to the girls' room to get clothes. Because that just sounds wrong. Really wrong. When you think about it. My avatar is definitely not free. The fox on my back and also the hat I'm wearing are free. Also, the suit I always have on is also free, but everything else, like the thing on my face. Okay, there you go. For some reason, it wasn't letting me pick it up. Anyways, back to what I was saying. The little minions and also the thing on my face are not free. I think the pants and the shoes. Actually, the only two things that cost money are the guys on my back, the little minions, and my face. To be honest, everything else was free. I think. Oh, you can see a little rotten burger there. Let's hope we don't get the rotten burger. So another badge is in the backyard. So if you survive that, it's not really that hard. As you can see, I spawned in the pool. That's actually right where I need to be. You're gonna want to go through this vent. It's gonna be in the water. Do a little nudging, and then you'll see this thing. You go and like grab it or something like that, and then you got the badge. Now, I personally don't know what these are. I don't know, but they seem to be enjoying themselves. So I'm gonna leave them to it. And get out of here. Oh, there's only 3 of us. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, it's doing something. There's only 3 of us here. Come on, we're just playing a game. No, I'm just playing. Alright, just gotta hope I don't get the wrong burger. No, I didn't get none of us got the wrong burger. That's good. So I won't starve. So, I don't know if the music in the background will go, but if it does, that'll be nice, because that means I don't need to put music on here. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna put my own music. So that's where the second badge is. Actually, the third. The first one's in the lobby. I didn't show it. But, yeah, I'll show it once I die or if I beat the thing. Can you imagine saving a plane? Yeah, I've done that 3 times. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Because they're like some demon? Oh my, look at the time. We are running late to our flights. Oh wow, there's no way we'll make it in time unless... Follow me. Can I go now? The garage. So, like, this is the worst idea ever, because he's, I'm not gonna spoil it until it happens, but I'm just saying this is a horrible idea. Don't try this at home, even though I doubt you would have the opportunity to try this at home, because, like, hey, that's a daycare story. I really like daycare. And now that they made daycare 2, I'm gonna have to play that too. Oh, there's only 2 of us now. Yeah, you don't try flying a plane at home. Also, where's Dad's plane, if anything? Well, what is he just sitting in the back of my plane? We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane? That's funny. It's also a lot more fun than walking. And dangerous. Why don't we just fly to the Rohams on this plane anyways? Why couldn't we just do that? Wouldn't that be way easier? Dad could have saved a lot of money except for gas, almost. I don't remember how you even control a plane. I was playing some sick music, so I'm gonna turn the thing up. I think it should be sharing my audio. Wait! We don't even know how to fly these. We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Wait, obstacles? Obstacles? You said that yourself. You literally just said that. Oh yeah, there's gonna be like buttons. I don't know what happens on PC. As I've mentioned, I'm playing on a Chromebook, which is more of a like tablet computer. The next badge, I'm not gonna get it because it's really risky. For the video. Okay, I didn't get it, but that's the next badge. I didn't take any damage, which is good. That's the fourth badge, I guess, theoretically, including the lobby badge. That's the fourth badge. So, yeah. There's still like one or two more, I think. Wait, that was illegal? Wait for everyone to finish. Oh, come on, I'm the only one. I'm gonna have to fight this myself. So I think there's one or two more badges. I can't cross right now. Come on, Dad. Oh, there you are. He just comes. Oh, Rohans, that's 5 minutes. Okay, first I'm pretty sure we need to... First things first. Hey, you. I thought I had to drop my baggage off first. Why is it playing intense music? It's not intense. Nice. They didn't even ask me for ID or literally anything. They just gave me a ticket. That's our plane. Hello. You must be the last passengers flying to the Romans. Don't worry. You are just in time. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector. What? Wait, what? Why did it go off? I don't have anything on me. Other than this weapons. What? Why would you have weapons on you? Bang, bang, bang. FBI, FBI, open up. You are going to have to come with us. Okay. Sure. Is there a problem? Officers. You were caught flying over a restricted area. You are in big trouble. Oh, wait there until we get all the paperwork ready. Oh, I thought we were getting arrested for the weapons or whatever. Alright, I'm out of here. Then why did you do it if you knew it was a bad idea? So I knew it was a bad idea. Now we are totally losing the fight. What's that red thing? Yeah, good thing we're not on there. Some demon just came out of hell. Help. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. Help. Came out of help. Last one, my plan is finally complete. D3MON. D3M0N. So D3MON. Humans. Yeah, sure. Your world will soon be property of the undeads. Okay. First, I used an angry humans to help me build an army. But now I can take over the world. By myself. Don't worry. You will be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. And then he goes, I'm gonna head out and just disappears. Oh, okay, he just turned the block. Pretty sure it was intended for more than one person to play this. Gosh, I'm fighting them all by myself. Dad's just standing there while I'm killing them. Killed one. Okay, if I die doing this, it doesn't matter anymore. There's one ahead on the escalator. Right, that's all. Guys, I'm the only person here. I told you this was very meant to be not a one-player game. How do I even know that it's a curse? How would I know that? But first, let's get out of this place. Looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? I'm Poncho, ex-general of the Roblox Estates Army. I think that's how you say it. I heard from you in the news. Were you not supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death. We are the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox. How do you know his name? But whatever. For the bad energy corrupts us. Dude, this tax is actually getting kind of screwed up. We need to do this for our dad. I'm the only one here. It's time to be a hero. Let me... It's a little laggy. But I've seen that text before, so I should be able to tell. So I'm the only one here, so I can just skedaddle on here. Hey, who are you? Bye. That made my curse become weaker. Okay, so he has a curse and it's weaker. The only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletor. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. I've gotten a good ending before, so I only get the bad ending. You don't need to do this though. There's like a boss fight in the end. Yeah, there is a way. Start the voting pass. Ronald McDonald. I don't know what happens after I pick Ronald. I, not we. These airplanes kind of point where you're supposed to go. Remember, Ronald, it's only me. So you just gotta follow these airplanes or the path that I'm going. The altar. This is not good. Is this or is this not? According to Reynolds. Why are the eyes of this statue glow? Wait, did I heal a bit? No, I didn't. Ronald. Where are they? Are you Ronald? I've never seen this before, actually. Yes! That's me. How are they, Doctor? Follow me, please. What happened? Yeah, neither do I. I don't like the feeling of this. It says Ronald, and I see that too. Ending unknown past. Sad ending. So that's that ending, I guess? So when I get sent back to the lobby, I will show you. So this is the badge in the lobby I was talking about. So I always use the epic member. I don't know, I like it. In all of the games I usually use this. So you can go through that bush, you come over here, back here. Credit to somebody telling me. I also have a shout out to give at the end of this video. And then, here's the badge here. So just give me a second to bring up person I need to shout out. Busa on YouTube or Your Pickle Mom. Go check out their YouTube channel. They've commented on Among Us Hide and Seek, my first video. So if you go there, you can check out their videos, if they even have any, or subscribe to their channel. Awesome person. And yeah, that's all for today.